French Valley traffic, 65 Golf on the go.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 26504 on the go, runway 18, French Valley.
3 Sierra Charlie, are you a full stop?
We are a full stop, 73 Sierra Charlie.
French Valley traffic, Cruiser 5, Papa Sierra is left base 18 French.
Alright.
French Valley traffic, command.
You report on base. Base doesn't matter. I mean,
Got it.
I got him in sight.
Yeah, I see him.
Golf, French Valley, 65 Golf, turning crosswind, 18.
French Valley traffic, 73 Sierra Charlie. We are clear of the active at Alpha 3. See ya.
French Valley traffic, 5 Papa Sierra, final 18 French.
And French Valley traffic, mention on our Papa is holding short for traffic on final, 18 French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 26504, turning left crosswind, runway 18, French Valley.
French Valley, 65 Golf, turning downwind, 18.
He was on base when I lined up, so he still had to turn final.
Yeah.
So he turned a short final, is what he did.
Oh,
But
yeah.
French Valley traffic, mention on our Papa is lining up and waiting on 18 for right crosswind departure, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 26504 is turning left downwind, runway 18, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, helicopter 7410 over Skinner Lake, southbound, French Valley traffic.
I got him. Alright.
Yeah, I see him.
Where?
He's way up in front of your nose.
Yeah.
French Valley traffic, Comanche 5099 of Papa is departing 18, right crosswind departure, have traffic on upwind.
Oh, I think I saw the guy below you.
Yeah.
The guy.
He's 500 feet below me. French Valley traffic, Cessna 26504 is midfield on left downwind at 2,800. We're climbing to 75, exiting to the north, final call, French Valley. Blocked. Feet below me.
Traffic 5 Papa Sierra is left crosswind 18 French.
French Valley, Cessna 65 Golf on final, 18, touch and go.
Alright. 1925. March approach, good morning, Cessna 26504, request.
Calling March approach, contact me on 133.5.
March approach, good morning, Cessna 26504 is climbing through 3,500 out of French Valley, would like flight following to Palm Springs at 7,500. We're a Cessna Skyhawk 172.
Comanche 99 Papa. Radar contact 2 miles southwest of French Valley Airport 2800.
99 Papa, thanks.
Cessna 26504, March approach, March altimeter 2992, squawk 4703.
4703 and 2992 for Cessna 26504.
Comanche 99 Papa, remain clear of Elsinore jump area. Are you familiar?
Affirmative, clear of Elsinore, 99 Papa.
Cessna 504, radar contact 2 miles north of French Valley Airport 3800.
Position checks for 26504.
Cessna 504, remain east of the 215th. The Paris jump area is active. Remain east of the 215 freeway.
Roger, we'll stay east of the 215 freeway for 26504.
Cessna 504, maintain your present altitude for now.
We'll maintain 5200 for now for 26504.
Waiting to hand you off to SoCal.
Roger, we'll level off here at 5300 for 26504.
Cessna 504, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles, turning eastbound, 5,700, climbing is a Twin Otter.
Looking for traffic, 26504.
Cessna 504, contact SoCal 134.02, request higher with them.
34.02 for 26504.
134.0.
342 for 26504.
134.0.
134 nothing for 26504, thanks.
Good day.
That's what I'd written the first time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but then he changed it.
SoCal Cessna 26504, level 5400, would like to climb to 75.
26504, still got a departure, VFR climb to 75 is approved. Understand you're going through the Banning Pass to go to the Palm Springs Airport, Ontario altimeter 29901.
29901, and that is affirmative for 26504, thanks.
504, thanks. Not sure if you got the weather lately, but they just flipped the boat around there at Palm Springs. They're advertising 13 left and right.
194. Roger, we'll pick it up when we get closer to 6504.
Okay.
504, contact approach
he's gotta get his headset on.
126.7.
126.7 for 26504.
Affirmative.
126.7.
Contact ground control on 121.9 to obtain a clearance. VFR aircraft hit your destination airport. All aircraft are back on return from all hold instructions. Advise on the contact you have information. Lima. Palm Springs Airport information. Lima, time 1653 Zulu. Wind 110 at 9er. Visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 40. Dew point 6. Altimeter 2981. Visual approaching use. Runways 13 right and 13 left. Hazardous weather information for Southern California is available on flight service frequencies. Bravo aircraft contact SoCal approach on 126.7. All departures contact ground control on 121.9er to obtain a clearance. VFR aircraft hit your destination airport. All aircraft are back on retirement on all hold turn instructions. Advise on initial contact you have information. Lima.
SoCal approach, good morning, Cessna 26504, level 7500. We have Lima at Palm Springs.
26504 SoCal approach, roger. Good morning, the Palm Springs altimeter is 2981.
81 for 26504, thanks.
They got 13 miles, so.
November 504, maintain VFR at or above 4,000 for now.
At or above 4,000 for 26504.
Number 504, advise you have Palm Springs in sight with ATIS Lima.
We have the field in sight, we have Lima for 26504.
Out about 4,000, so.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. The
Yeah.
mount, we're right underneath the peak.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, Cody, there's the wind turbines below.
Oh,
Yeah.
it really is pretty. The desert in the middle of the
5481, the
mountain.
Palm Springs Airport's at your 2 o'clock and 15 miles.
Inside Sky 641.
Sky 641, make left traffic, clear visual approach, runway 13.
I'm gonna need my pen and paper when we land.
Okay.
And
Clear visual left traffic, 13 right, Sky 481.
like once we're clearing the runway.
Right.
There's more windmills right here, babe.
Yeah, I see them. The whole field, all the way over.
Well, that's pretty smooth.
Yeah, we didn't turbulence.
No. Look at this. I don't know what that.
504, delete altitude restriction.
Delete altitude restriction for 26504.
Skywest 5481, enter the pattern midfield, left downwind.
Alright, midfield left downwind, Skywest 5481.
November 504, you're going to be following a Phenom jet over the freeway on the left base. They're 12 o'clock and 8 miles, 2,500.
Looking for the traffic, 26504.
For 504, contact Palm Springs Tower 119.7, advise them you're searching.
197 for 26504, good day.
Good day.
13 right, taxi via Whiskey 3, Whiskey Lima.
He's turning
Right.
this way then that way, so he's way behind us.
German 93 November, start your crossing.
Now, 93 November.
Palm Springs Tower, Cessna 26504, 8 miles northwest, inbound with Lima, looking for the Phenom.
Section 92, that was not for you. Number 26504, Palm Springs Tower, cancel altitude restrictions, safe parking on the airfield.
We're going Atlantic for 26504.
There's
504, roger that, proceed direct the numbers, runway 13 left.
Direct the numbers 13 left for 26504.
there's the airport.
German 93 November, wind 100 at 11, runway 13 left, clear to land, traffic on a 3-mile left base for the parallel I Phenom 1600.
Clear to land 13 left, we left for the traffic, German 93 November.
That's the airport right there.
Yeah,
Oh, okay,
354,
yeah.
traffic just past midfield, left downwind for the parallel ice, German 1500.
354.
I don't have the Phenom.
There he is, I see him. Just flew over the houses and all.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they're
Okay.
about to hit the runway here in a moment. So small.
Okay.
Number 504, actually follow the interstate eastbound. I would call your turn towards the downwind.
We'll follow the interstate eastbound for 26504.
Sky 481, visual 13 right.
Skyhawk 529er, wind 090 at 11 runway.
He's gonna have me come back.
For the option.
13 left, clear for the option 529.
All right, make sure
Go
go.
5481, Palm Springs Tower, wind 090 at 11, runway 13 right, clear to land, traffic at your 10 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound, a Skyhawk 2400.
Alright, 13 right, clear to land, Skywest 5481.
German 93 November, left turn and straight ahead, you got a few more?
1700.
That's it. Now it's getting too warm. Right, 3 November. Thanks for your help today.
Roger, have a good one.
That's hot.
Yeah, warm.
There's traffic 1400 feet to my left above me.
Above you. Yeah.
He's turning behind me. I don't have him. He's behind me now, so.
Yeah.
Looks at 354, say parking.
We're going to Signature today, flex 354.
Looks at 354, right turn, Bravo, taxi to parking via Whiskey 2, this frequency.
Bravo, Whiskey 2, flex at 354, your frequency.
For 504, proceed direct the numbers, runway 13 left, clear to land, wind 090 at 10.
Clear to land 13 left for 26504.
Okay, that's kind of close.
Number 504, traffic on a 6-mile final for the parallel, a regional jet at 2,400, caution wake turbulence.
Roger, looking for traffic and we'll caution to wake 26504.
Alright, let's keep it at 70.
Skywest 5481, that traffic's now at your 11 o'clock, 3 miles inbound towards the field, a Skyhawk 2000.
Where?
Right there.
Roger, we're looking
White.
at Skywest 5481.
Okay. Let's keep it at 70. Landing light is on.
For 504, do you have the regional jet in sight?
We do have the regional insight for 26504.
For 504, maintain visual separation from that traffic.
We'll maintain visual for 26504.
Skywest 5481, traffic has you in sight, maintaining visual separation.
Roger, Skywest 5481.
$4,900 feet of runway.
We're on the short runway.
Yeah.
For 279er Delta, Palm Springs ground clearance, tower coast, standby. Sky 529, are you going to Atlantic now?
Affirmative.
Alright.
Sky 529er, taxi to Atlantic via Echo.
To do Atlantic via Echo 529.
Keep it at 70. Alright.
We're 79er Delta, Palm Springs ground clear to the Sierra Lima November Airport.
Alright, we're on glide 2 red, 2 white.
Expect radar vectors to join Victor 370, then as filed, maintain 8,000.
So we gotta look at his touchdown.
Right.
10 minutes after departure.
We're high.
Departure frequency 126.7, squawk 7353.
We're on glide 090. So we got wind from the left, we are in glide. Okay.
We're 79er Delta, read back correct?
We're gonna keep it at 7.
That was 5481, right turn at the end and taxi to parking via Whiskey Alpha 1, this frequency.
Alright, right turn to parking via Whiskey Alpha 1, Skywest 5481.
Looks Foxtrot 92, Palm Springs Tower, wind 110 at 10, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff.
Foxtrot 92, clear for takeoff, 13 right.
Not too bad.
Oh, that was
For
good.
504, taxi to Atlantic via Echo, this frequency.
Echo with you for 26504, good day.
All right, flaps up. Atlantic is down there. Ooh, it's hot, babe.
It's very hot out here.
So that was kind of sporty.
Yeah, that was cool.
SkyWest, that's a regional.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he kind of turned me right base. Really, I thought I was gonna. He said he was gonna call my downwind.
Yeah.
So I thought I was gonna come this way then.
Yeah.
Well, he called it right base,
Oh yeah.
and I was high.
Yeah.
That's why. But we had plenty of.
You made it.
All right, let's stay on the center line.
Okay.
That was a much better landing.
Yeah, it was nice.
Okay, is anybody gonna come out? Atlantic is all the way at the end. SkyWest Airline.
Foxtrot 92, contact SoCal.
That's the regional that
Hey, we'll see you, Fox 92.
a lot of people start at.
That was a unit that came by you.
Huh?
Said United on the side, like looked exactly like that guy.
Yeah.
Odie, what did you think of the desert? It was cool, right? It's really beautiful again.
Oh, it is freaking hot. All right, Atlantic is all day down there.
No water. Says Atlantic.
Okay. There's a guy coming out.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All right, he's gonna put me right there.
Okay.
All right, squawking VFR.